What's up guys? In this video, we are going to answer the question, what are WordPress plugins? If you've already started your WordPress blog or you're thinking about starting a WordPress blog, you've probably heard of WordPress plugins. Plugins are little miniature programs that you can download to WordPress to help you design your blog or website, increase traffic, make changes, run different types of e-commerce or community type of programs. There's all sorts of different features for plugins. Let me show you really quickly what plugins look like. Once you're signed into your WordPress dashboard, you can come down here and find your plugins. Now, I can look right here and see all of my installed plugins. Let me just show you really quickly what some of the plugins I use are and what they do. Right here at the top, there's an AdSense plugin that you can download that helps you easily customize Google Ads on your website. I've got a PowerPress plugin, which helps me run my podcasting blog articles. I've got a contact form, which allows me to create pages where people can send me messages through my website. I've got a Facebook Pixel plugin that allows me to easily copy in my Facebook Pixel ID so that it's automatically downloaded to all my different pages. Some of the other plugins on here is I've got a King Sumo giveaways plugin that allows me to run really awesome giveaways where people get bonus entries for referring friends, and it picks winners, and it adds everyone to email lists. It just does everything for you. There's all sorts of plugins here. You can get a MailChimp plugin so that you can have email opt-in forms to add people to a MailChimp email list. I've got survey plugins so I can run polls or surveys on my blog or website. Pretty Links is a really cool plugin that you can use to create custom links for affiliate links or any other type of link you might have. I've got there are hundreds of different plugins you can use, and you'll find a lot of them will help you improve your website. One like the Yoast SEO plugin helps you make sure that your search engine optimized for your web pages or blog articles. Now, right here in WordPress, you can actually go to the section Add New Plugins to search for whatever type of plugin that you might be looking for. Now, you might not know the name of the plugin, but maybe there's a certain feature that you want to add to your website. So maybe you want to add a e-commerce type of feature to your blog or website. So right here, you can search e-commerce and you can find all sorts of free plugins that will allow you to sell products on your website. WooCommerce, of course, being the most popular e-commerce plugin. There's all sorts of plugins for analytics, like Google Analytics or other type of analytics that you can use. This Google Analytics dashboard is one that I really like that allows you to actually see your Google Analytics right on your WordPress blog so you don't have to go into Google Analytics. Let's say maybe you want to create a membership site where people create profiles in order to access the website. There's all sorts of membership plugins that you can use and test out to build a membership community for your blog or website. It's just as simple as clicking the Install Now button and then activating the plugin to get it running on your website. And then depending on what type of plugin it is, it's going to appear over here. Oh, that was a bad arrow. It's going to appear over on the left side in this menu. It might appear as its own option, or it might be kind of underneath something like settings or appearance, and that is where you'll find your plugin. You can also find WordPress plugins on the internet, and you'll download them as a CSV file. So if I were to go to Google and search WordPress plugins, I might be taken to wordpress.org where I can search for any type of plugin. Let's just click on this one right here at the top. If I were to click download right here on this page, it would actually download a CSV file it would download a zip file. And then all you would do over on this plugins page on your WordPress site is you would click this upload plugin and choose the zip file that you downloaded and then install it just like that and activate it just like you would from within WordPress itself. Plugins, guys, are awesome for customizing and improving your WordPress blog or website. I highly recommend doing some research, finding what plugins are out there, looking around, reading blog articles to find plugins to help you improve your blog or website, because it's gonna help you ultimately build your online business, and that's what we're here to help you do. Learn how to use this technology to build an online business and create a life of freedom. If you like this video, guys, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And go check out the links below this video for some awesome tools and resources to help you with your online business today. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. We'll see you in the next video.